We got up at 2:30 and we hiked up here, and we got here about 4 o'clock.
Wow.
Yep.
Got an early start. So.
Yes, we did.
First year, second year, third?
Second year.
Yeah. And what do you think of it? What prompts you to come out here so early on a New Year's Day?
It's part of our resolution with my friends here that, these are my friends. We had a bigger group last year, but unfortunately it's just us. But it's part of, starting our year in the right way, making New Year's resolutions. Yeah, so it's pretty cool.
My name's TJ. I'm from Kansas. Just moved here about 2 years ago. First hike up to Makapu'u. Was supposed to go last year. Didn't end up making it out this year. I'm glad I made it out. Man, I'm expecting a glorious sunrise, ready to greet 2017 the right way. Hopefully leaving 2016 behind. Some new things ahead. I'm pretty excited about it. Now that I'm actually up here, I'm quite surprised at how many people actually made the journey up here. So it's great to see this many people up here to greet the new year.